Can I taste it?
Just a little. Not too much.
Did I do it right?
Yes, it looks perfect. Is it ready yet?
Not yet. Almost.
Is it broken?
Maybe. I'm not sure yet.
Did you see the remote?
Not yet. I'm still looking. Have you seen my glasses?
Yes. They're on your head.
Did you buy milk?
Yes. It's right here.
Is the cat hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
Can I have one now?
Almost. Just one more minute.
Are they hungry?
I think so. They keep coming closer.
Should we make this?
Yes, it looks delicious.
Will birds use it?
I hope so. We'll find out soon.
Isn't it beautiful out here?
Yes. Very beautiful.
Can you teach me that?
Of course. It's not difficult.
Which fish is your favorite?
The orange one. It's very friendly.
Do you remember this place?
Yes. We visited it years ago.
Do we need anything else?
Just the glasses. Then we're ready.
Do we have any cake?
No. We finished it.
Can you reach it?
Almost. Just a little higher. Where is the other one?
I haven't found it yet.
Keep looking.
Are the cookies ready? Almost. A few more minutes.
Do you water them every day?
Not every day. Only when they need it.
Do you see that bird?
Yes. It's very small.
Which book do you like?
This one. It's very interesting.
Are they ready?
Yes, they look perfect.